Hi, I'm Clayton Kratz with EMF Rod Ends. I'm here to talk today about our joints a little bit, just so people have some insight onto how they work. When it comes to greasing, when you grease and the joint quits taking grease, people think that there's no grease or it's not taking grease. However, if you take a look in this cutout, we have an area that takes about 4 or 5 pumps of grease, so there's always grease in there. If the joint doesn't take grease anymore, there's still grease in there and there's just pressure pushing down onto the joint. The tolerances inside are fairly tight, so it just doesn't want to take any more grease. Totally fine. Another question is, when people get our joints, the upper ball joint, they see the pin and it moves in and out about that far. They'll call because they're worried that the joint isn't assembled right or something's wrong with it. This is 100% normal. It happens in all AAM upper ball joints on Dodge. This is a factory joint cut apart. This is how it is on the inside. That's how they're supposed to be. If you've never noticed it before, it's just because it's packed with the grease and it's hydrolocked and it's pushing down. That's it. This upper joint actually has the capacity to hold about 20 pumps of grease. So on your initial greasing, when you first install the joints, you'll probably put about 20 pumps in here. We had a customer the other day, we looked at his joints and there was like one shot of grease on the inside of the joint. He had 25,000 kilometers on it. Joint was still okay, but at that point we realized maybe people aren't putting enough grease in these, so that's why we're doing this video. I hope this helps out with your assembly. Have a good day.